Step into a world where every sip is a burst of flavor and every blend tells a story. Welcome to liquidfood.net, your go-to destination for all things smoothie. On this channel, we're not just about making smoothies. We're on a mission to revolutionize the way you think about blending. Join us on this blending adventure where we dive into how-to and tutorial videos, covering everything from crafting healthy smoothies to exploring unique ingredients. It's not just about recipes, it's about understanding how these combinations can enhance your well-being. Ever wondered about unique smoothie ingredients or how to use coffee to jazz up your blends? Look no further. Since my transformative journey post-heart attack in 2021, where I experienced the healing power of nutrient-packed smoothies, I've been driven by a passion to share this knowledge. Smoothies aren't just a mix of ingredients, they're a pathway to better health. I truly believe that the nutrients in the smoothies I consumed played a pivotal role in my swift recovery. While I credit my survival to God, I can't ignore the role of these liquid wonders. Here on the liquidfood.net channel, we make how-to and tutorial videos about making healthy smoothies, using unique smoothie ingredients, using coffee in smoothies, and general smoothie recipes. We do this because we believe smoothies allow people to consume healthy ingredients faster and more easily to increase their overall health. Since 2021, when I had a heart attack, I truly believed that the nutrients that I had been receiving from the smoothies I had been making and consuming the year before, and ever since, helped me heal quickly. Ultimately, I know that God allowed me to live and heal, but I truly believe He used the nutrients from those smoothies to speed my recovery. Due to my belief in what I just mentioned, I have a passion to educate folks on smoothies. One idea that drives me is the experience that I have can help folks start their blending journey, learn about specific ingredients, and learn how ingredients are combined to help them. Hopefully you will find something on this channel that makes you stop and think, oh, I haven't thought of it that way. I invite you to subscribe and become part of our growing community. Together, let's blend our way to a healthier life. Hit that subscribe button, blend along, and discover the transformative power of smoothies. Because here, we're not just making drinks, we're crafting a lifestyle that nourishes you and your body. If you are ready to embark on a journey of taste and wellness, then hit that subscribe button to join our smoothie-loving community. Don't just watch, blend along with us, and let's create a healthier, more vibrant you together. Your next favorite smoothie recipe is just one click away. Subscribe now.